Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into navigating the multi-chain world with Zerion campaign on Layer 3. And we have about 7 quests in this campaign, and it does go until September 7th. This video might come out sometime in the last week of August, so hopefully we'll have plenty of time to complete this. But before we actually get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Now, Zerion might be doing an airdrop. I don't know. Could be worth interacting with and downloading the wallet. You can import the wallet address that you use on Rabby or MetaMask into Zerion and use that same one, but we'll show you how to get started with the Zerion wallet. We'll explore Metis, Zerion, or Mantle, Manta, Xlayer, Polygon, and Mode. So if you do need any help navigating this outside of the scope of this video, please jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. We have a Discord that has just been growing and growing and building, and thank you to everyone who has been contributing and helping make this an amazing Discord and getting all this stuff that we need to help provide value. So trying to provide the most value we can. We have a lot of amazing people in there sharing their time and giving their knowledge. So thank you everyone, and to the newbies in there, don't be afraid to reach out and ask questions, and we want to help you as much as we can. So with that, let's get into starting with Zerion. So a crypto wallet for everything on chain. Zerion is fast, very fast, protects you from malicious sites, checks that it's safe to transact, and tracks all your crypto. Moreover, it's designed for a better multi-chain experience. So you can download or install it, add Zerion to your Layer 3 wallet. Let's check in Zerion, since that's the same address that I have on Layer 3. My Zerion wallet is. So in here, you can go to click your wallet address. You can click add existing or create a new wallet. You can create a new one or take the wallet address that you use on Layer 3, add existing. You can import a wallet and put in your seed phrase, but we're not going to do that right now. There you go. Verify all that, and bada boom. We can claim our rewards at the end of this. I'm just going to open up all these and we can knock them out. Getting started with Zerion. So next up is Metis. We've done all this. Okay, so you can skip the bridge into Metis, or if you want to go to the bridge, you can actually, the best way to bridge is gas.zip. You can select the chain you want to bridge from. So if I want to bridge from, Arbitrum to Base, or even was that Metis, I can come down here, find Metis. Now, since Metis doesn't use Ethereum as its gas fee, it'll convert it to the native token. So Metis, you can send Ethereum, it'll convert to Metis, and you will have gas on the network. So now we will go to swap on SushiSwap, but make sure you're on the Metis network. We'll connect. Make sure you use the Zerion wallet. Switch to Metis Andromeda, and we will 0.01. It doesn't say that there's a minimum amount, but we're gonna use this. Check it out. All right, bada boom. No, not yet. Interesting. So you saw that I made the swap. Oh, interesting. So I used the Zerion wallet, but I guess it's not allowing me. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Mantle, bridge into Mantle. Same with here. You can do Mantle, bridge into there. So we're gonna swap with Fusion X. Okay, so it looks like it needs to take a minute for the API to catch up, but there you go. Fusion X will connect our Rabby wallet and get in here and make a swap. We can swap. Where's that US? Oh, lend. So I have some tokens already that I'll swap out of. So we'll enable token allowance. Bada boom, bada bing. And then we'll make the swap. And it looks like each one of these we can kind of skip through, and they're all token swaps. So these will be pretty easy. Confirm this swap, and then we'll go to Manta, use quick swap, go and verify Fusion. So each one of these is bridging and swapping, and you can bridge using gas.zip on all of these, and then Polygon ZK EVM and Mode. So we'll go back to Manta. I don't really like quick swap because it's so slow. So let's connect our wallet, and we want Manta Pacific, if it works. So it looks like quick swap still is dookie. Okay, so that's cool. Do I even have anything on Manta? Probably not. We'll move on for right now. So we'll do a swap on Xlayer. This is I don't have really anything on Manta, so I will need to bridge some funds over from somewhere. Okay, connect our wallet for the OKX. Go to other, Web3 connect. It doesn't look like Rabby is acceptable. So with this, I'm gonna have to go to Firefox. So Firefox, I'll need to use my MetaMask wallet because unfortunately it doesn't accept Rabby, which is unfortunate because MetaMask is just trash. MetaMask is garbage. Okay, can we get a login here? Dun dun dun. So QuickSwap is the worst because anytime I get on it, it just bogs down. So let's make sure we are on. Okay, what does it say? Close out of that. X layer. We need to make sure you click right here from X layer, swap on X layer. So we will swap USDC to OKB and we're just gonna do 50 cents. That way we get a little transaction, a little swaparooski. Yep. Spending cap request. And okay, I'm gonna move this over and finish the transaction over here. I'm just gonna do this swap real quick and then confirm the swap. And I'm gonna go back to QuickSwap. Oh, sorry, I need to confirm this transaction. All right, now that I have I should have some Ethereum in Manta. I'm just gonna swap a tiny bit. Okay, our swap on OKX was completed. Let's confirm, and we're good to go. I'm gonna disconnect from this site. Okay, QuickSwap. Let's hurry up and get out of this because, oh geez. Yeah, we'll do Sushi Swap for this one. And mode network is Velodrome. So let's see, we completed that, we got that. And I might, yeah, we'll come back to that. We'll do this Sushi Swap one for Polygon, ZK EVM. Doesn't look like we have a lot of, let's see if we can approve some staked Matic. So with this, you don't need to swap a lot. I guess there's no trade found, huh? Damn, that sucks. Okay, well, I guess we'll have to swap for 3 cents. Since I don't have a lot of Ethereum, I'm just gonna swap for a little bit. And then we'll go over to mode network. On the Velodrome, connect your wallet, we'll sign, make sure that you are on the right network right here. You select mode, and we're just gonna make a swap. All right, we're just gonna make a swap. This is what we have on the mode network. We're gonna do the wrapped ETH, allow your token approval, and hopefully we can get this last one done, this quick swap, because that one is a nightmare. Verify this. Okay, we'll allow access to wrapped ETH, and then after that we can swap. Check this one. Yep, Sushi Swap's good. Okay, let's try and actually swap this. Let's verify this one. Swap, good. All right, so the only one we're waiting for is QuickSwap. We've done all kinds of other ones, but this one seems to have the most trouble. Every time I've used QuickSwap has been a nightmare. Okay, so I'll have to do this later, but you just want to make a swap on the Manta network. QuickSwap, you are trash, dude, trash. So you can get this to work, just be patient. I might end up doing this in a different browser, but if you do need any help getting through this was pretty easy. So remember, you don't have a lot of time left on this, maybe a week, a little more. But yeah, hopefully they won't start adding more. If they do, it looks pretty easy to complete. But yeah, don't forget, Layer 3 also has daily streaks, daily offers, and things that you can do to participate. And yeah, get more cubes. But if you do need any further assistance, please jump in the Discord. Link is down below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day. Peace.